This project is here in Monterey. It is a capacity project where we are removing a 30 MVA transformer and installing a new 75 MVA transformer. This is the South Bay Central Coast region. So this is a project to coincide with the growth of this area, larger need, thus a larger transformer.
Perfect.
First, we need to remove the old transformer and demo the existing concrete pad that we have here. This job is difficult because being in residential areas has a lot of restrictions, especially with moving the heavy equipment, heavy trucks.
The new transformer was shipped from Korea to Long Beach and then transported on the highway from Long Beach to Monterey. It involves a lot of people to make this happen.
Looking good, Matt.
Transformer being installed is essentially the heart and muscle of this station here. To put it in a metaphor, this is putting a brand new engine into a car. It's going to increase the capacity and distribution of all the surrounding areas in which the station currently touches.
All right, go ahead, slowly.
We really want our customers to understand that we are investing in the future growth of this important part of our region. We are serving Monterey, Seaside, and all the other coastal communities with this capacity upgrade project, which is going to enable their future growth, enable greater reliability. And so with this project, I hope our customers see that we are investing locally, that the dollars that they're paying are being reinvested in the community to serve them today and tomorrow.